Runway 1 right, losing 541.
Legion 541, wind 02011, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Pick up 1 right, losing 541.
Sir, 25 Charlie Papa Los Vegas, good afternoon, wind 02011, runway 1 left, clear to land.
Problem.
Thank you guys, I'll see you over there.
1787, wind 03011, runway 26 left for the land.
Hold short, runway 1 right, Sierra.
2 right turn, Echo hold short, 1 right, Sierra Delta.
Citation 6 Delta Charlie, runway 1 right, Bravo, line for wait. Blue 1079, contact port up, good day. 1079, contact departure. There's 6 Delta Charlie, that traffic that's depart off the runway is via eastbound equipment site. 6 Delta Charlie, maintain for separation, wind 02010, runway 1 right, Bravo, clear for takeoff. Southwest 4256, Las Vegas, good afternoon, runway 1 right, full length, line of way, traffic departing downfield.
Good afternoon, 1 right, full length, line of way, Southwest 4256.
220 Las Vegas, good afternoon, wind 090, runway 1 left for the land.
Good afternoon, number 2 by United Boeing 737, 4.5 miles ahead, wind 0408, runway 26 left for the land.
Okay.
Departure 541.
Southwest 4256, wind 090, runway 1 right, full length, clear for takeoff.